Welcome back to fourth part of my classroom. In last video, we looked at how an assignment is given to students using rubric. In particular, we looked at how to easily conduct an exam in Google Classroom. There are three options before going to assign the work. We used the first option, that student can view the file only in last video. In this video, we are going to see lot of people work together in a single file at the same time. Using the second option, student can edit file. Up to last video, to make it clear to you, so far I took another mail ID of mine and attached it as my classroom student ID and explained to you about some features of Google Classroom. But in this video, we will see how to do a collaborative work using the students in my regular classroom ID. As a single person, it can take months for a common file to sit down and complete a task. But if the same work is done by several people together, the work can be completed immediately in a few minutes, maybe in few seconds. I have to say one of the most important of these, if we develop a habit of planning in advance to complete a task together as a team, we can get a lot of work done very easily. That's teamwork. Let's move to my regular classroom window. These are all my regular classes which I am handling now. Now I am going to collect my students list to find out what course they have chosen in other departments regarding non-major registration for my UG class. So select BSc Maths. This is my UG second year classroom. Now I am going to assign a work. So choose classwork, create. Already I explained all those things in my last video. Choose assignment. I am giving title as non-major registration list. Instructions are optional, but I am giving as you are informed to fill the necessary details given in Google Sheets against your name in a file attached here. I want to create new spreadsheet, so click create sheets. Rename the sheet as non-major data collection. Now I am going to type my students name list and fields which I want to collect from them. Here I added necessary fields which I need to collect from my students. See above here, it says automatically. My sheet is ready, so I am closing. File is attached here. Look here, you have three options. Students can view file that we used in last video assignment. Note the point, all students have to type their details in a single file. So choose the second option. You can take advantage of third option if you think students need to answer their own questionnaire which you attached. I am going to assign for collaborative work, so leave it as students can edit file. Select here which class you are going to post. Select also particular students from drop down list if you need, but I want to collect from all students, so leave it as it is. I am assigning this work for editing purpose, so select ungraded. I don't want to fix due date here also. Select topic. There are many topics already created, but I am going to create a new topic as collaborative works in Google Classroom. Now my work is completely ready, so I am going to assign. Assign. Now I like to give a group work for only 4 students, so create assignment. Give title as pandemic and giving instructions as prepare a slide for presentation. Kindly follow the below allotment and work together to complete the slide as below. Here I want to add from my drive. Here is my file. Insert. Select the same option for collaborative work. Student can edit file. Now I want to allot this work for only 4 students from this class. So select from the list. Anchik, Priya, second Shobini, third Sweta S, fourth Vanishri. I am assigning this work only for 4 students from the class. Select ungraded, no due date. Already we created topic. Select the topic. Now my work is ready, so assign. See here, your works are posted. Select this one. View assignment. Here you can able to see many of my students are working at another end. that is highlighted as different color. See here, many of them are typing. Almost many of my students completed the work. Very fast they are. Presently Ramya is working. You can able to see the highlighted color. Here you can see the colored circle. That means all my students are working at present. Wow, what a beauty. I collected all my students' details in a minute. Hope all of you understand the concept of using the option student can edit file. That is collaborative work. I think majority of my students have completed. So I am closing now. Now I am going to open my second work assigned to particular students, that is those 4 students. View assignment. See here 4 students assigned. Now instructions. Open the work. Wow, what a student. They are almost at the end. Presently they are working. See here those 4 students are currently active. Now you can able to see one of my student named Vanishri is typing at other end. Similarly all 4 are working. Not only for 4 students with the 4 slides, you can want to prepare hundreds of slides. We can do it in a minute by using 100 students. Similarly, you can see till now they are working at other end. I think they will complete within a minute. Now I am closing slides. Hope you can understand everything of something. Not only this, with the help of the same procedure, you can do almost anything in Google Docs, Google Slides. Next video, we will see how to evaluate the submitted work. Thank you for listening.